Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can edit and format your text messages in a Slack. For example, if you'd like to enhance their quality or make them look more professional and give them a professional touch. So drop a like and now let us get started. Alright guys, so head over to your Slack workspace, and for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to, let's say, edit and format that text message I sent into that example channel here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply hover your mouse over the sent text message, and here to the right you will see a list of options like reaction or reply or these reactions here. So what you want to do is click on these three dots to the right to access more actions, and from the drop-down menu, for example, you may delete the given message if you don't like them by clicking on that button, or press E, the shortcut E, to edit your message, or simply click on edit message. And after that, you will be given access to the send message so that you may customize and format it. For example, what you may do, guys, is use bold letters just like that by highlighting the text and by clicking on that button. Use italic letters or strike through, for example. You may add a link or hyperlink, for example, by clicking on that button here or using the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-U, so that you may, for example, turn that text into a hyperlink so that people who click, or channel members who click on that link, may be redirected to a destination page. Then you may add bullet points just like that. You may also hide these formatting options or customization tools at the top by clicking on that button, or enable them back again. You may add an emoji to your text. Simply click on that emoji here and select an emoji from that list here. So what you want to do in the last step, guys, is simply click on cancel or save or to apply your changes. So let me do that really quickly, and there you go. As you can see, now the text has been formatted and added, but it will also be displayed below that the given message has been edited. Bear that in mind, guys. So that's basically it. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.